Hello.
Hello, Andrea. Here is your key. You'll be in room 23. The elevators are past the door on the right. Enjoy your stay.
In a world shaped by human hands, a new kind of partner is emerging. This is Figure 3, the third-generation humanoid robot, designed to bring intelligent assistance into everyday life, industry, and beyond. Figure 3 is built for Helix, for the home and for the world at scale. Its purpose, to perform human-like tasks, to learn from real people, and to operate seamlessly across environments, from household chores and concierge duties to the demanding precision of factory work. Every movement reflects years of research in tactile design and compliant control. Its hands, equipped with soft adaptive fingertips, adjust naturally to objects of any shape or size, maintaining stable, reliable grasps where strength and sensitivity must coexist. Each fingertip houses a new generation of tactile sensors, engineered for durability, longevity, and high-fidelity feedback. They can detect pressures as small as 3 grams, light enough to register a paperclip resting on a finger. This precision allows Figure 3 to sense the difference between a secure hold and a slipping object before it happens, enabling delicate, human-like dexterity. Figure 3 represents a major step forward in bringing humanoid robots out of the lab and into the real world. It combines perception, tactile intelligence, and safety-focused design with the readiness for mass production, capable of learning, adapting, and working across domestic and commercial settings. This video, unveiled by Figure, reveals in detail everything this remarkable robot can do.